Hello friends, thank you for watching my video, and this is Long from GreenMangoes, and today I will share with you one tip to help desert rose to grow a little bit faster in terms of the Caudex. And as you can see here, this is a desert rose that I have already repotted and raised it up a little bit so you can see the Caudex, and it looks pretty awesome and presentable, so you have something to look at. This is the finished part that I've already been done, and as you can see here, how amazing this look is. Probably about 2 years old. It's not that old and not much to see yet, but one thing you can see from this video, this part already, is that I raised the Caudex up a little bit, and you can see more than just the leaves and the branches. And this method also helps the Caudex grow a lot faster, so the roots can develop, and you can have more of a bonsai look, kind of a desert rose. And one way for you to tell where the Caudex is starting to grow rapidly, and to assist it into to help the Caudex grow a little bit faster, is that when you look at the Caudex and you see kind of a stretch mark, this is a sign that tells you that it wants to grow very big, rapid growth. So this is the finished part. Let me bring up the one that I will be working on today, and I'll show you how to do it.
So look at the drawing.
That's very pretty. So this is the one we've been working with today, and this desert rose is probably about 2 or 3 years old. When I bought it from the nursery, it wasn't that big yet, but it has been in this pot for a year, and I think it's ready to give it a little bit of a makeover and make it more presentable in a nicer pot. So you can see here that the soil is all the way to the top of the Caudex here, and you don't see much of a root. So what I will do, I have a desert rose here, and I will put something at the bottom so I won't make a mess.
Yeah, because you don't want dirt.
And I have potting soil. This potting soil has a little bit of perlites and peat moss in it, and it's pretty loose, so that way you can have a good drainage. So that one of the things about desert rose is if you keep it too moist, it could get root rot. So what you want to stay away is using compost or anything. What you want is something that is loose, so that way water could drain through pretty easily. And that's the soil. And here's the pot that I will be potting it in. And let's take a look at the tree.
Yeah, I bet it's going to be really good.
Okay. So I will remove this from the pot.
You have to. I'm so nervous and excited.
And I have a brush here, so I'm gonna start removing.
Brush.
Yeah, I'm gonna start removing the soil from the surface.
Did you bought
here.
that? Is it new?
Yeah.
It's my favorite color. There's the soil. The soil is like the string part, basically. Oh no, it's getting on the table.
Yeah, I can clean that later.
And it's getting.
So now you can see that you can see the little bit of more of the root ball, and the twists and the curves makes it a little bit more interesting rather than just, you know.
Dad!
Yeah, clean that later.
It's like worse. So bad.
So I'm gonna use the brush here and go in here and clean some of the cracks in here. The soil got
Really messy.
and some of this little root here, I can
I'm
just
gonna
trim it
show
off.
at the end.
I can just trim it off.
Yeah, you probably
And,
do. But we can't use it. Ew. I would never eat that too.
Let me get a knife here and I can trim those off.
No, Daddy, that's for eating. Daddy, here you can use that for eating.
So, as you can see,
Oh no, you
this
guys.
little root here doesn't have to be here. I mean, I have a good ball size down here to get water nutrients, so I can get this off. Here's another one. What are you drawing?
A tree now?
Hmm?
A tree.
Sure, you can show me what you're drawing.
And I already draw the flower.
Wow, that's pretty. Want to show the camera?
Yeah.
Here's what Alina has been drawing. Flowers. She likes flowers like her daddy.
You got some dirt on it.
My dad.
Your hands are like so dirty, you better wash it.
It's okay. When you
They have to. Dad, and Nanny, are we gonna see?
if I cover this up here, you can kind of see the root. I mean, the Caudex is kind of
It
unique
kind
and
of
twists
looks
and
weird on
turns.
the
And,
bottom.
Look at how cool that is.
It does not look. Yeah. Where's the China tree?
The what tree?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
The one that looks like a China tree. The
You
one.
mean the bonsai?
Yeah.
I have it in the bonsai, and we can rebuild that later.
Okay.
Okay. So I cleaned this part off a little bit. You can see a little bit more of the Caudex here. The beautiful root that will be showing off. And
Oh, and I have a picture of the
I will
flower.
be put in this pot.
Daddy,
Hmm?
do you know where the flower picture is? The one that I got at school? Where is it?
I'll put it over there.
Where?
So this pot is a little bit shallow, so you can see that when I put this in here, you can see the Caudex is so beautiful. Looks like bonsai now.
So where did you put it again?
I don't know, I can help you find it. Let me fill the bottom of the pot with some soil first.
Daddy, sure you don't know where you put it?
I'm not sure.
Oh my god. Daddy loses things.
And now I'm ready to put the desert rose in. I'll leave the root ball, this root down here alone, since it fits the pot pretty well here. If the pot is too shallow and the root is pretty long, then I might have to clean it up a little bit and cut it. But in this case, it just fit perfectly. So put it in the center, and once it starts looking good, then I'll backfill this one. And constantly making sure that it is center and is exactly the way you want it to be. So me to the left a little bit more. You can start to see that it's starting to look good already. It's kind of late now. It's about almost midnight. So I just want to get this done.
It's almost midnight already.
Almost midnight already.
What does that mean?
Late? You're supposed to be sleeping.
Okay, I'll go to bed.
Give it
Dad, good night, you guys.
Oh, you going to bed?
Yeah,
Okay, good night.
I have to be busy.
Okay. Try to poke it a little bit, make sure that it fills all the pocket, that pocket. And please be very patient. I mean, it's a work of art, and you get to enjoy it every day. See it grow. So take your time. Make sure you do it exactly the way you want it to be. And growing this kind of flowers takes a long time. It's not like overnight you can get something. The result right away. Sometimes you have to wait for 2 years, 3 years to see results. And after 4 or 5 years, you see the trees being mature, and you get to enjoy it a little bit more. But everything takes a lot of time. So give it a firm push so it stays in there pretty well. Press it firmly. This root is very, very beautiful. A lot better than the other one. The other one is just a soccer ball, and not many details and not that interesting. But this one is a lot better. I'm very, very pleased with how it grows. So this is the finished product, and I finally finished potting this desert rose, and it looks very nice. I'm very pleased of how it turned out, and it looks a lot better than the one that I previously finished. And the reason is because it has a lot more movements and roots and curves and weaves, as you can see here from different angles. This is very pleasing to the eyes to look at, and now that you can see the Caudex a little bit more, and you can enjoy this desert rose a little bit more than what it had previously before. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel and support me so that I can make more videos in the future for you to enjoy. And until then, I'll go to bed now, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.